says the icebreaker is only 5 minutes. That's amazing. So let's do icebreaker. Oh wow, it goes backwards. Crazy. Wow. This is going to be amazing.
Against the headrest.
There's nobody here.
Get ready to break the ice.
There's nobody here.
Welcome back. Please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar. Lift the harness and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld. Thrill seekers, please lift up on the collar. Please raise your hands so they can check the harness for you. During your ride on Icebreaker, keep your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train at all times. Hold on to your lap harness, face forward, and keep your back and head against the seat and headrest. Seat and head against
Okay,
the
here we go.
headrest.
Are we going to go backwards
And
first?
get ready to break the ice.
I don't know. Oh, we're going forwards.
Welcome back. Please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort
There we are
collar.
going back.
Lift the harness and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding
Oh wow,
Icebreaker.
sliding to the right.
Enjoy the rest
Oh
of your
wow,
day.
that's how that works. Okay. Going backwards. Wow. Oh boy. Oh, not quite. Oh! Wow! Oh! Here we go. Take it off. Whoa! No! Holy cow! Uh-oh. Alright, that was pretty fun. I'm going backwards. Maybe? No? Okay, we're done. Woo! That was pretty intense. Fast ride.
Now sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest.
Wow. That was intense. I'm not quite sure what happened. Yeah. I don't know. The locking shoulder harness mechanism was awkward. The ride was very unpredictable. I'd say it broke the ice. Have you ridden this one? What do you think? My least favorite of the park, but it was interesting. You start out going backwards and forwards, backwards, and then forwards, and then it just gets berserk after that. It's insane.